Don't lose hope. Don't give up. Never stop.
You need to look at the bright side of things.
There is a positive future.
We can get through these difficult times together.
What this song means to me is that there's always hope, even in the darkest of times.
Better things will come in the future, and it's important to have faith in that.
Bob Marley is an artist known for his positivity. Right now, I think we need to do that.
I promise you that everything's going to be okay.
Stay optimistic.
Love one another.
And keep loving yourself. That's all.